All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card, get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about the cryptocurrency Tectonic. Yeah, this token is freaking gigantically up in the last 7 days. I mean, it's really up. It's up in the last 24 hours. We're going to go to their Twitter account. We're going to go to their website. We're going to do a little deep dive. They've got 2 new lists. They got listed on 2 new things, crypto.com and Hutbit. Those 2 listings is making everybody know more about this cryptocurrency, which could be why the price is up so much. We'll do a little price prediction when we're done too. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day, you know it, own some cryptocurrency. At the end, in the middle of the show, and the end of the show, we'll go to Crypto Bubbles. We're just trying to launch that for people so you can put your own favorite things on a pretty good platform. All right, everybody, let's go to Tectonic. All right, over here, we're at the Crystal Bubbles. I guess we'll do this for a minute. So, the http crystalbubbles.net. Look, I got my top 100. You can basically go on here and follow whatever company products you want. I got my favorites. We'll go here. You know, I got a couple in here, my favorites: Dogecoin, Mars, Uniswap, Bitcoin, Solana. You know, you click it. It tells you this product is up 86% in the week. And for the day, it's down 3.8%. For the hour, it's down 3.9%. Let's go to Dogecoin Mars. Look at Dogecoin Mars is down for the hour, down for the day, down for the week, down for the month. For the year, I think this is covered by my face, but it says 211%. The key thing with the crypto bubbles, like, look, I can go to number 400. There may be a coin that you're not watching. Like, look at this, HDAO, up 107%. For the year, you may not be able to see it. It's up 429 for the year. It's up 107 for the week. It's up 130% for the day today. So this is a great way to kind of pay attention to things, crypto bubbles. I just kind of wanted to show that. All right, we're over here at Coin Market Cap, Tectonic. Take a look at this. In the last 7 days, it's up 98%. Crazy numbers. 98%. Down to below, CHEDDA is up 600%. Holy cow. I mean, that's a huge one there. But Tectonic, clicking it, up 3%. So in the last 24 hours, this token is up 3%, 3.6%. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. And a 99.17. We'll do a price prediction when we get back. Take a look here. Is in the last day, it was down in the valley. It kind of came back up, started to come back down, but only came back down a little bit, and it went back up, which is fantastic, everybody. Last 7 days, there's where you get your 99% increase. It was way down here, and even at right here, that's like 98, 99% up. So this token is up 98%. You take a look right here. Up 3% for 24 hours, up 99% for the 7 days. Holy cow. All right, couple of the reasons. Now it is listed on CRO and crypto.com. Details right here. Crypto.com, just a few days ago, has listed Tonic and BIFI, Beefy Finance. You know, up to 3% PA, deposit and start reward and getting rewards. The key thing is it being on crypto.com. Right here, crypto.com, earn 3%. We have added Tonic and Beefy Finance to Crypto Earn. Users can enjoy rewards up to 3% on Tonic. Crypto.com private users are entitled to a bonus reward up to 5%. Crypto Earn supports over 40 coins. It says, what about Tectonic? Tectonic is a decentralized, non-custodial algorithm-based money market protocol built on the Cronus blockchain. Tectonic protocol aims to provide secure and seamless money market functionalities for crypto, enabling multi-use cases for the users. Users can deposit assets to earn passive income. Key thing, passive income, or borrow funds to unlock liquidity in the assets. So right there on CRO, that's a big thing, getting listed on crypto.com. It's almost like you made the major leagues now. There's Tectonic Crypto. What is Tectonic Crypto and how to buy Tectonic Crypto? It says Tectonic Crypto has become a trending crypto in 2022. Well, 2022 is only a month long. We're in the second month, February now. Tectonic coins seeing some dramatic price changes as a result. The crypto market is always buzzing with new cryptocurrency and tokens being launched every day. In January, we saw the Grimace coin, you know, the McDonald's coin. That was a big thing. Crypto launched based on McDonald's tweet. So after Tonic recent price surge, here's a rundown of Tectonic. Tectonic platform is a decentralized money-making protocol that allows users to participate in the quantity supply of borrowers. In simple terms, it's a cross-chain money market that intends to make borrows and lending easier for investors and users. Tectonic Crypto makes lending and borrows conventional and decentralized, through which users can attract yield and passive income. Tectonic Crypto offers additional returners to holders for interest by supplying assets to the protocol without the need to actively manage their assets. To also provide users with the chance to borrow certain cryptocurrencies and capitalizations on the short-term trading view. Users can gain access to cryptocurrencies, multi-purpose, ICO, bond participation, and original assets. So there you go, Tectonic. How to buy it, where to buy it, how is it going? So this is the second time we're talking about this cryptocurrency. It's up right now. People are into this cryptocurrency right now. We bring you hot, super juicy cryptocurrency things when they happen. This token is up 99%. So again, we bring you Tectonic. It's a brand new cryptocurrency. Second time we're talking about it. It's up 99% right now in the last 7 days. That's fantastic. People are popping on this token. Now, would you rather buy a token that's up 30 to 50 to 90%, or would you rather buy the token that's down 30 to 50 to 90%? Reason I ask that is because we've had so many tokens down in the last week or two. They were Dogecoin Mars was 40% down. It was crazy. All right, over here at Tectonic's website. A Tectonic shift, lending and borrowing. Tectonic is a cross-chain money market for earning passive yield and access instant back loans. You know, total supply, total borrowed. Generate passive yield on your assets. You know, people are interested in that. Crypto assets deposits in the Tectonic earn attractive APYs based on the dramatic rate according to the market demands. Earnings are available immediately with no lockups. Instant liquidity at your fingertips. Get an instant loan to unlock liquidity and idle crypto assets into Tectonic. Keeping your funds safe is our top priority. Audited smart contracts, insurance fund, open source. Audited smart contracts. Our smart contracts have been audited by leading blockchain security audit, Slow Mist. Insurance funds coming soon. 10% of the interest paid by borrowers goes to insurance fund used in the event that the under-collateralized loans are not properly liquidated. Open source are among the founding principles. The DeFi with Tectonic is proudly committed. Frequently asked questions. We'll go through a couple of these. What is Tectonic? Tectonic is a decentralized, non-custodial, algorithmic money market protocol. Users can deposit assets to earn passive income or borrow funds to unlock liquidity in the assets. How does Tectonic work? Funds deposited by users are provided by liquidity as borrowers. You may borrow at varying interest rates. Tectonic smart contracts adjust these rates based on each market utilization rates. What is Tonic? Tonic is a Tectonic protocol token with two keys use cases: governance and staking into the community insurance pool to secure the protocol and earn more rewards. Join the community. Yeah, so Tectonic, fantastic cryptocurrency. Give us your thoughts. Are you buying this cryptocurrency? Is it on your radar? Is it one of the coins that you're tracking? Let's go back over and do a price prediction. All right, Tectonic right here. It's up 98%. What's our price prediction? It's going to crush a zero. I mean, it's real close to crushing a zero. It's at 98. But we know it's, in our opinion, it's going to crush a zero. All our information is for educational purposes only. It's still going to be on an uptick. I mean, it's going up right this second. So that's our price prediction. Again, all information for educational purposes only. Take a look at right above it. It's up 596%. Cheddar token. All right, everybody. Crypto.com has listed Tectonic. Hotbit has listed Tectonic. All kinds of good stuff. Click right here to see our most recent video. We will see you a little bit later on today, and thank you for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner.